If you've made your own vegan milk at home, you know there's a lot of ways to do it and it can be messy. I wanted to find a way to get away from those messy nut milk bags and strainers that don't get all the pulp out. I did some searching on Amazon and I found the Chefin nut milk maker. As usual, this is not an ad and I purchased this item with my own money. This nut milk maker comes with a carafe, funnel, and a strainer attachment with a lid. With this, you can make a lot of different things: nut milk, rice milk, oat milk, whatever you're into. Really anything, but you're also going to need a blender. To make the milk, you're first going to need to soak your nuts or rice for 24 hours. If I'm making oat milk, I don't let the oats soak. I just go straight into the blending process. I usually use around 1/2 to 1 cup of nuts, and I add enough water to cover them completely, and then I soak them for 24 hours. To my blender I add soaked nuts, about 4 cups of water, 1 date, 1 splash of vanilla, and just a pinch of sea salt. Blend on medium for about 1 minute. The next step didn't work as well as I would have hoped. If you pour the nut milk and pulp into the strainer, it's a little too thick to strain on its own. But if you stir with a spoon for a little while, it will eventually strain through. There's not a lot of mess, and you only have the blender and strainer to clean up. Now you have your delicious nut milk. In my opinion, the homemade nut milk with these simple ingredients tastes a lot better than the store-bought with all of the added ingredients. I like to use this for cereal, coffee, and baking recipes. The Chefin nut milk maker was a good purchase for me, and I use it quite often. If you found value in this video and would like to see more of my videos, you know what to do. Share some love and subscribe.